All-in-one seats go by lots of different names. Sometimes they're called 3-in-1 or 4-in-1, but they all offer a similar benefit: the opportunity to keep your growing child in one particular seat for a longer period of time. However, they still require adjustments throughout their use, and they won't necessarily provide proper fit as your child moves from one stage to the next. Like dedicated infant seats or convertible seats, all-in-ones need to be rear-facing when your child is young, at least to age 2. As they grow, the same seat can be switched to a forward-facing position. You'll need to adjust the harness straps at this time too. Eventually, the seat can be used as a booster. Combination seats start as a forward-facing restraint and can be converted into a booster seat when your child reaches the forward-facing height or weight limit of the seat. Some all-in-one and combination seats also offer the flexibility to switch from a high back booster to a backless one. Always check the restraint owner's manual to achieve a secure installation, correct strap routing, and proper positioning of the vehicle belts in booster mode. If the seat doesn't fit your child well at any particular stage, consider purchasing a different child safety seat to keep them safe on every trip.